Hello, good evening. My name is Muhammad Sikwayudi. Today I will talk about the research methodology used in the study title Brand Logo versus Brand My Names. Comparison of the memory effect of the textual and pictorial brand element in computer games. Okay, which is published in the journal Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Manipal in India. Okay guys, this is my team. Muhammad Rizky Wahyudi, Rian Alfati, Owen Samuel, Adam Rizaldi, and Nabila Siti Kholiza. Okay, will be next presentation Nabila Siti Kholiza.
Okay, thank you, Rizky. The next slide. Gamification of advertising. Play has always enticed and accelerated the humankind. It is therefore no surprise that in today's rapidly growing digitized world, video games exist in large number and continue to diffuse at increasing rate. Point 2. Pictorial versus textual information and their influence of memory. Information present in pictorial and or textual format is a core characteristic of consumer information environment, especially when marketing stimuli for mass distribution. Next slide, hypothesis development. Hypothesis 1. In an AGA exposure to brand logos result in higher brand memory than brand names. Hypothesis 2. In an AGA exposure to brand logos result in higher brand memory than brand names. Hypothesis 3. In an slow AGA exposure to brand logos and brand names result in similar brand memory. Hypothesis 4. In an fast AGA with less physically distinctive brand elements, exposure to brand logos result in higher brand memory than brand names. Hypothesis 5. In a fast AGA with more physically distinctive brand element, exposure to brand names result in similar brand memory. Will be next slide, Rehan Elpati.
Okay, thank you Nabila Siti Kholiza. The next slide method. The type of research in this journal is qualitative. Study 1. The study aimed to examine how audience attention toward advertisement differ across different media contexts, such as place in TV programs, in game advertising, and TV ads. The study provides diagnostic insight into whether the inherent nature of this media creates difference in the attention toward the advertisement presented in this media. Okay, the next to the design and stimuli. As part of this experiment, we first developed one fiction brand names, Isaki, example, and the logo of a man perfume. This product category has been found to be very popular in India and has used for this experiment. Okay, the next, participants and procedure. We invited participant and procedure. We invited 180 postgraduate students from a large university in South India for a lab experiment, part of their course credit. In this lab experiment, the subjects were randomly allocated into one of the three different experimental conditions. Condition 1, product placement in TV programs. Condition 2, TV programs with a commercial break where the ad was shown. Condition 3, in game advertising. After the exposure, we asked them to complete survey from conferring the outcome measure coverage, and demographic characteristic. Okay, the next study 2. The prior study established that attention toward the target brands was significantly less in the case of IGA, cooperated to TV ads and products placement in the TV programs. This research finding provides us significant insight into the fact individual attention, hence level of processing commercial content vary significantly across media. The next, study design and stimuli. Study 2 implemented a one-way brand element names face logo between subject experimental design with brand memory as the dependent variable. As part of the stimuli development process, we first conducted for focus group discussion. The next, analysis and results. First, we examined the success of the manipulation. The result reported the subject exposed to brand names reported a high score on the representative. Okay, thank you. The next, Owen Samuel.
Okay, thank you, Ren Alpati. The next slide is study 3, study design and stimuli participant and procedure measurement, analysis and results. In study 3, we execute a true brand element, name versus logo, X2, name game speed, high versus low, experimental design with brand memory as the outcomes variable. In this study, we select a different game genre, shooting game to confirm the Charlier's study findings to in more generation game genre setting. Let me see table study 3. Will be next presentation Muhammad Rizky.
Okay, thank you, Owen. This slide. Study 4. Number 1, study design and stimuli. Sense or objective in the study was to examine the intercation effect of brand element and physical sensitiveness in high-speed gaming context. We designed a quiz experimental setup for the study. Number 2, participant and procedure. In this online experiment, we invite the subject from a large university in South India in lieu of movie voucher world of given to each of them. Number 3, measurement. The measurement item for the manipulation check of brand elements coverage and the dependent variable were similar to study 3. Number 4, analysis and result. First, we examine the success of the manipulation of the independent variable. This is table study 4. Well, that's the end of my team presentation. Thank you for your attention.